Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jamie, the head of growth at Web3Go. So, let me give you an intro to Web3Go's products and background. Web3Go is a data analytics platform. We focus on building professional dashboards and providing the tools and API to help users easily visualize, create, and share data. Currently, we focus on building our infrastructure for data from Solana near BNB chain and the Polkadot ecosystem. We believe that these four public chains are the leading players in the future. As we see the rapid development of these public chains, we are confident that our platform of on-chain data service will play an important role in the future. So today's content will be divided into 7 sections. Let me walk you through the first section. With the rapid development of multi-chain, some data problems will become more acute, which I have summarized into 3 aspects. First, growing data demand versus limited Rust-based chain analysis. Two, the existing RPC cannot meet the needs of complex dApp. Three, most users don't get to receive notifications of important on-chain activities causing information latency. I will discuss them in detail later. We can see that the number of active developers on different blockchains from December 2020 to December 2021, we see rapid increases of developers for the Polkadot and Solana blockchain, which are 4 times respectively. While active developer group continues to grow, the demand for blockchain data and related services is all-time high. However, Rust-based chain analysis is particularly limited, and we see there is a big gap for Web3Go to fill. Generally speaking, on-chain data contains many valuable information, but it is hard to read. It is necessary to clean the data and present it in a readable way. To tackle this problem, many projects such as Nansen, DeFi Llama, and the bank have built very nice dashboards to surface the signal behind data, which has brought them great success and economic return. These projects will provide portals for users to get insights from on-chain data and to make smarter investment decisions. The second challenge is that basic RPC calls fail to support complex logic. The graph on the right shows the number of daily API queries on the graph from January 2020 to May 2021, and I assume there's a lot more now. So we can see that the demand for customized APIs is still very large, and developers spend a lot of time writing data indexers on the graph. To be honest, it is not an easy task to write an indexer on the graph, and the process has severely distracted developers from the core application logic. The last point is coming from my personal experience of using many blockchain products. I wish to have an active push function. For example, has the price of the NFT I purchased changed, or whether the liquidity of the DeFi products I participated in has changed. Most of the current products still require users to actively open the Explorer and query instead of pushing relevant information to users. I think there is a very big opportunity here to provide service that fills this gap. To make data more readable, we built data dashboard that provides straightforward insights with a smooth, user-friendly UI. Users are also able to use visualization tools on our platform to create their own graphs and charts. Over the past 3 months, we've built several dashboards and received good feedback. Our dashboards have been officially integrated into some of the most high-profile projects in the Polkadot ecosystem and BNB chain, and is widely used in the community. Our partners has promoted our projects through their social media channels. We received an offer from Moonbeam to provide them on-chain data analysis in long term. We also recently received an acquisition inquiry from Huobi. Looking back, what we've done so far is not possible without our good understanding of the data and strong engineering capabilities. We are the first to build a series of complex and universal APIs in Polkadot ecosystem, including transaction history from Genesis account balance for each token, crypto profile, and time machine, which is the snapshot of one account at one time point. These APIs are now used by various projects, including Binance, Moonbeam, LeaderTree, Ranger Protocol, and more. Even some APIs are used by Binance internally to calculate crowd loan reward in Polkadot parachain auction. From that, we have won a good reputation in terms of development capability in the community. We have also developed a framework for automatic and active push, namely Web3Go Notify. We have first implemented it in Moonbeam staking dashboard to actively push collator and nominator related information to subscribers via email. We are abstracting this framework and using webhooks to make it adaptable to more public chains. We plan to build a unified data platform to make the notify feature easy to be integrated into various public chains. As you can see, we will support pushing updates of data from Near, Polkadot, BNB Chain, and Solana. To sum up, Web3Go mainly provides three products. The first one is what we mainly do at present, providing customized dashboards for projects and communities, which will involve data of DeFi, token float, NFT, and games. At the same time, we'll provide tools to the community so that data developers can quickly develop dashboard based on the data we have captured on blockchain. The second is to provide some valuable APIs based on our data analysis platform to smooth the process of data query and avoid duplication of efforts by developers. And for the third product, we want to build a general active push framework, which is important to different public chains, so as to provide active push services covering the on-chain events for developers and users. Regarding the strategy of Web3Go, we will mainly focus on BNB Chain and Polkadot. It doesn't mean that we gave up on the EVM ecosystem. Seeing the competition on the Ethereum main network is relatively fierce, we believe it is difficult for us as a latecomer to gain an advantage now, especially in terms of data accumulation. However, we will cooperate with some new EVM projects such as Moonbeam and EVM compatible public chain built on Polkadot to fill the gap of data analysis in EVM. So you can see the value flow I just mentioned. And our business model will be built on the above three products. On the user end, we will provide both free and paid dashboards and charge a certain fee for subscribing. On the project and developer ends, we aim to deliver customized data analysis, API service, and active push service. In the foreseeable future, our focus will be developing and improving our products. However, we reserve the possibility to issue tokens. Our tokenomics is listed on the right, and the tokens will be used in all three products. Let's see our achievements. Over the past 4 months, the Web3Go team has rapidly built a data analytics platform from scratch. We have not only won several prizes in different hackathons, but also received grants from the ecosystem. Our three products have been implemented and integrated into other products from Moonbeam, RMarket, LittleTree, and PNS. Our efforts are seen and recognized by partners. Now, I think Web3Go has come to a point where we have gained good experience to do multi-chain data analysis, especially to migrate our existing products and concepts to Solana and Near, and we hope to get more support and expand our team. And we have seen that on-chain data analysis is ever more valued by users and capital in the industry, whether it is 2B or 2C projects. There has been great development in this cycle. Millions and even billions economic value has been unlocked by the projects like Chainalysis, Zero Analytics, Nansen. Data analysis is a tough and long journey compared to other projects. It takes months and years to accumulate data and build relevant infrastructures and tools, but we are in the very beginning of the multi-chain era, and this is the right time to start. Therefore, we need to build a multi-chain unified data platform and use our strong engineering capabilities to capture the value of data. I have divided on-chain data analysis into three levels, namely data indexers, data service providers, and data analysis, according to different ecosystems in which the project is located. I drew this table. It can be seen that the most competition lay in the Ethereum ecosystem, where a number of great projects emerged, such as Nansen and Do Analytics. For relatively new public chains such as Polkadot, Solana, and Near, there's still a gap in the data indexing and data service layer, so we see this as a huge opportunity for Web3Go. The advantages of Web3Go are very obvious. We focus on the four public chains written in the Rust because we think Rust is a very good and efficient language. And at the same time, we will not give up EVM. We have obtained Moonbeam's business contracts, which will help us build a long-term stable income and technical accumulation in EVM. In 2022, our team's major focus was building dashboards for token holders analysis for all native node tokens on Polkadot. We deliver milestones in Web3 Foundation grant, but we have a clear direction that we'll start building the data service on multi-chains. We are currently a team of 7 with decentralized locations. Our team has diverse backgrounds in DeFi, NFT, machine learning, finance, and business development and design. Most of our members have been in the blockchain industry for years and have a good understanding in the Ethereum and Polkadot ecosystem. So that's all. If you're interested in Web3Go, please remember to follow us on Twitter, join our Telegram and Discord channel. Thank you.